Welcome to Dodge 765, the home of classic car lovers, where we explore the rarest, most powerful, and most legendary machines ever built. If you're passionate about vintage American vehicles that roar with character and strength, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a classic ride that defines automotive history. Today, we take you back to 1969, a time when American craftsmanship was bold, raw, and full of heart. We're talking about the 1969 Dodge D100 Adventurer, a pickup truck that wasn't just built to work but built to stand out. The Dodge D100 Adventurer came from an era when trucks were transforming from pure utility machines into stylish icons of power, comfort, and adventure. Dodge didn't just make a truck, they made a statement on wheels. When you first look at the 1969 Dodge D100 Adventurer, you instantly notice its bold stance and muscular design. The front grille carries that classic Dodge attitude, wide, confident, and unafraid to show off its presence. The clean lines and chrome accents give it a sense of style that was rare for trucks of that era. The Adventurer package added extra touches like premium trim, a stylish two-tone paint job, and beautiful badging that made this truck stand out wherever it went. It wasn't just another pickup, it was a badge of pride for anyone who owned it. Under the hood, the 1969 D100 Adventurer was available with multiple engine options, and that's where Dodge really flexed its power. You could get it with a 318 cubic inch V8 or even the legendary 383 V8 that delivered massive torque and a thrilling growl that could wake the neighborhood. That engine wasn't just about performance, it was about attitude. Whether you were hauling gear to the job site or cruising down an open highway, the D100 Adventurer made sure you felt in command every mile of the journey. Inside, Dodge added comfort and class, something many trucks didn't offer at the time. The Adventurer trim brought high-quality vinyl seats, door panel inserts, and unique interior touches that gave the cabin a more personal and stylish vibe. It was still rugged, but it had soul. The dashboard was simple yet purposeful, giving drivers everything they needed and nothing they didn't. You could feel the blend of workhorse toughness and personal pride every time you gripped the steering wheel. On the road, the D100 Adventurer proved that trucks could be smooth and reliable while still being strong. Its suspension handled heavy loads with ease, and its rear-wheel drive setup gave it that true, old-school truck feel, responsive, raw, and powerful. It was built to last, and even today, enthusiasts admire how durable these machines remain after decades. What makes the 1969 Dodge D100 Adventurer special is how it perfectly captured the spirit of American freedom. It represented adventure, independence, and craftsmanship. It was more than just transportation, it was a partner in work and life, built for those who weren't afraid to get their hands dirty and live boldly. Today, finding a well-preserved D100 Adventurer is like discovering a hidden treasure. Collectors and classic truck fans admire it not only for its design and performance but for what it symbolizes, a golden age of automotive passion and originality. So, if you ever come across a 1969 Dodge D100 Adventurer, take a moment to appreciate its history. This truck isn't just metal and bolts, it's a piece of America's hard-working soul. It's a reminder that great machines don't just move us, they inspire us. Thank you for watching Dodge 765. If you love vintage classics and powerful American icons like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment about your favorite Dodge truck, and share this video with other car lovers. Until next time, keep the engines roaring and the classics alive.